Head Engineering. Head Engineering.
Time is really precious when you're at Automation Expo, and we've got so much happening. I'm so glad I'm still getting a chance to stand at RE and have a word with Mr. Mohanlal, who's head of engineering. He has something really special to show as a product, and at the same time, we're also going to understand from him how successfully they have been able to market this at Automation Expo. So, sir, all yours.
Yeah, thanks for giving this opportunity. It has been a wonderful session here. In fact, this is the third day. We could see a good footfall today actually. In fact, day first day, the footfall were not so much as expected. But today we find really a good customers coming up, and then we notice very valuable customers, and then we have got good kind of opportunities to discuss with the customers. And there are varied kind of customers coming in, and not only looking out for the automation display what we have made, and there are some of the opportunities which we have started discussing, where in which they are asking for different kinds of application which we have already catered. So that is giving a bigger advantage, like looking at, because this area like where we put up our session, and we are showcasing some of the applications which we are catering, but still customers beyond these applications, there are some customers who are coming up and then asking for the requirement. So this is a good way to look out, and we are looking forward to attend those opportunities which have been come up through this expo. To explain about the solutions what we are showing here, we have showing multiple applications here basically. Majorly two applications in which we are showing a drilling application as well as a glue dispensing application. In fact, the entire robot setup, if you see, the robot is from Escava, and we have a Leica laser scanner and then laser system wherein which laser tracker system has been used to ensure that there is a closed loop system between the robot and then the designated solution, because robot would be already programmed to a defined path. Whenever there is when the defined path has been not reached, whenever there is a closer tolerance to be used, then we use a laser tracker system in such a way that the desired path has been used to a closer tolerance up to 100 microns. Okay. So that is one of the advantage of having a laser tracker on a robotic system. Okay. Then we have a camera 3D vision system which has been installed on the robot, wherein which, for example, the robot is mounted on a trolley, on a wheel system. Assume the robot has been disturbed and it is not in its own position. Then with the vision system, there would be some base holes which captures the camera takes the base hole or datum hole, and the entire program shifts based upon the datum reference. So even this adjustment, it is an automatic. It is not that we are teaching it once again. Once we taught a basic program, then even if there is a disturbance in the robot system, then you can still make a system. For assume, here we are showcasing only one fixture. For example, there are multiple fixtures where we can move this entire robot system to a different fixtures and different positions, and then quickly install and then do a programming, and then the quick offset program can be easily achieved. So that is one advantage, having a vision system on a robotic application. And other than that, we have a drilling application wherein which we are using a high-speed drilling system, wherein which we can drill multiple holes based upon the size of the drill what we has to cater. Here we notice an dispensing application wherein there is a glue dispensing application happening on an car automotive sector, and here the glue can be controlled based upon the bead thickness, what are the size required, and also the dispensing quantity, and there's a speed at what it has to be dispensed, and also the material, what kind of material it has to be dispensed. So on a whole, the system is showing a versatility wherein which we are clubbing 2-3 applications together and then showing robotic application. In fact, if you look at a drilling application along with the glue dispensing application, never that kind of application comes into same location. But in this case, what we are trying to show is like we can still club multiple applications in a single robot. So this is an advantage.
So you're trying and covering up everything into one system as much as you can. So probably gives your customer the benefit of zeroing down on your product, because then they don't have to hunt different places for different applications. You're trying to give them one solution in all.
That's right.
So I think that is amazing. So Mohanlal has come up with this amazing product, and All the best to you.
Thank you very
I hope you are able to market your product in the best way and you get the right customers. As of now, how much is it that you've already managed to achieve as far as conversion is concerned?
We had got some valuable inquiries. In fact, it could be a count of inquiries. We have to start visiting them and then understanding their requirement, because especially whenever it comes to an automation, it is not a standard solution
Correct.
because this is not as a product.
You have to customize
Yeah,
it.
we have to customize. We got to go understand their requirement
Absolutely.
and then give a solution for them.
Absolutely,
So-
absolutely. So I'm sure if anyone has walked into the RE premises right here at Automation, then the solution is all set. They just have to put it on paper or probably just get it on to more tangible setup, and then we are all set to go ahead with that solution. So all the best to you and the entire team. I see lots happening, and I think you guys have also specialized. So we have Mohanlal ji taking care of one part, and we have a specialized person that I think everyone's given personal attention to their customers. So I'm going to request Mr. Chauhan to step forward, and he says that we make sure that they have one particular set of customers been taken care of by one particular person. Speaks volumes about the kind of service you guys are looking forward to. So tell me, Mr. Chauhan, what is it that your product is specialized into, and how is it that you have been able to achieve this at Automation?
So our product is more of like construction side.
Okay.
So this is like a one-stop solution for all. Like it will build the blocks, it will plaster, and it will also paint.
Okay.
Like this is like it uses like a specialized arm. Like if you look at it,
Okay.
so it can handle like 12 kgs of blocks. Okay. So there could be like a lot of safety incidents could happen in the mason sites. So we are just trying to eliminate those. So this can build like this kind of BEC, like big large scale areas, it can build easily. And this can also build in very fast equipments, and it can reduce the laborers' jobs easily.
So poor carpenter lost his job because of you?
No. We are not planning to touch all the small scale things, all those things.
I understand. It's just I'm just trying to kid on this, but considering we always say that when mechanism comes in, then where would the humans go? Where would the humans go when the mechanism comes in? But I'm glad that we are able to reach a level where we are talking about automation, we are talking about quality automation, and we are talking about robotics. Everyone has been talking so much about IIoT and robotics this year, and we're happy to see a display like this on a platform like this right here. So we'll stick to our personal carpenter to manage things at home, but on a much bigger level, on a much bigger scale. I think we look at much better quality and more essentially in lesser time.
Yes.
Okay, so time being an important factor, we've already lost 2 years, and Team RE decides they don't want to lose any more time. They want to make the best of what it is. So thank you for being with us at Automation Expo 2022. We look forward to giving you the best year after year, and we like to see you every year bringing in such amazing products and making us feel so proud with these kind of products on display. So thank you so much, sir. It was indeed a pleasure to have you.